have a little play with some elbows, double elbows. We're gonna start with single though. If you can't already elbow hoop, jump back a couple of tutorials, learn how, and then we are going to look at transitions from the hand to the elbow, back to the hand, and then turn it into a funky doubles move. Yeah, let's get started. Get that hoop spinning. Okay, from here, you want to take your hand, palm down, thumb pointing towards your armpit. When there is an opening at the front, so as the hoop's coming forward, that nice big beautiful opening, bam, right there, you are going to turn your fingers towards the outside of the hoop, palm facing forward, and the hoop just lands in the palm. Just like that. It's actually that simple. Let me try and show you in slow-mo what's happening, or maybe just close up, talking it through, and then I'll slow-mo it. So from here, from this position here, you turn your hand out, so your fingers are going to start to point out to the side, and your palm comes forward, and that's when the hoop hits it. And if you do that right as the hoop's coming over and forward, it just magically works. Here we go, I'll slow-mo it for you this time. Don't worry too much about putting it back on yet. We're going to work at getting it off first. So from here to here. From here, as the hoop comes forward, in your head, you can even say it. Now, as you see it coming forward. Then the fingers point to the outside, the palm comes forward, and the hoop ends up on the hand. I'll show you from the side. And then we'll have a look at putting it back on, and then we'll turn it into a doubles move. Oh yeah, so from here, fingers are going to start to point out to the side, palm to the front. As you do that, your elbow will drop, yeah? This will happen, and it's fine because by the time your elbow gets out of the way, the hoop is going to be on your hand, which is what we want. Bam, bam, just like that. Here we go. Spinning on the elbow. Palm forward, fingers out to the side, push it down, spinning on the hand. From here, from a hand spin to put it back onto the elbow, we can learn it in slow-mo kind of. As the hoop comes over to the front, you're going to grab it. And as you grab it, you're going to point your thumb down, but you want to stick your elbow in. So we go from spin, grab, so we're in this position. Start rotating the thumb forward and down, but instead of doing it outside of the elbow, raise that chicken wing out so that you end up with the hoop touching the back of your bicep. I'll go a little bit lower to show you. From here, grab, rotate, elbow sticks out to the side, chicken wing, you'll feel it hit the back of your bicep. I'm going to do that facing you in real time, then slow-mo, then sideways, real time, slow-mo. Real time, slow-mo. From the side, real time, slow-mo. So come along for the ride with me. We'll talk you through it one more time. From here, this is our catch. Catch. Hoops behind us, thumb is up. Thumb starts to push forward. Elbow starts to lift up and out. Up and out. So that by the time your thumb's kind of pointing down, the hoop's touching the back of your bicep. At that point, if you let go, you'll be elbow hooping. So let's go from the hand. Catch. Elbow out. Again, from the hand, strong catch, elbow out. You want to make sure you can feel that hoop hit the back of your bicep. One more time. You can always rewind and do this a million times, but let's do it one more time together. Catch, rotate the thumb forward, elbow out. Now you're going to let it go. Catch, let it go. From here, just like before, fingers out, palm, push it down. From here, up. You'll notice that there's a point where you don't need to grab anymore. So when you're learning this move, you really do need to go grab and then put it on. But eventually you can just go with the motion. So from the spin, the hand can stay open, and then the hand can stay open. From the side. Open hand, open hand. Yeah, but it's okay when you're learning to do the grab. All right, once you've got that on one side, practice it on the other side. And once you've got it on both sides, you're going to get those hoops going on your elbows. Start with your dominant hand, palm goes forward, drops onto the hand. Now the other side, palm goes forward, drops onto the hand. Let's pop them back on. Dominant hand first. 1, other side, 1. Okay, this is really about practice and repetition, so I'm going to let you pause the video, have a little go, etc. When you're ready for it, I like to go for 1, 2, switch. We're going to switch at the same time. So as this hand comes forward to grab, the other hand is putting it onto the elbow. In slow-mo. You can see that once I get the hoop from my elbow onto the hand, I push the hand down. That gets it away from the body and in a better position for hand hooping. It also puts me in a good position to kind of catch it and put it back on again. Push it down, put it on. So we can have a practice like this, each side, push it down, put it on, other side, push it down, put it on. Once you've got the hang of it, we can try them at the same time. 1, 2. 1, 2. It really is a matter of practice. I'm not really sure what other tips I can throw in there other than really think about the palm forward, go back to slowing it down. If everything turns to complete muddle and poo when you're trying it with 2 hoops, rewind and go back to 1. Each side, one side then the other, both hoops, one side then the other, and then this transition. Another thing that sometimes helps, actually, one last thought, is to try and practice the movement without the hoop. So you'll be like, okay, I've got one here, it comes on and this goes down. So even just trying to teach the body the movements and then throw the hoops back on, and you will probably find that you'll be able to get it. Just like this. If you get frustrated, slow it right down, come back to basics. You can do it, you can do it. Yeah, I always tell myself, like, do it till you can. Yeah, try again. Trust your body will learn. If you have any particular questions, drop them down below. If you like this video, let me know, give me a little like. Subscribe for notifications for more videos coming up. Happy hooping. Get those elbows going. See you next time.